Jordan, the title in the bag, but no hint of letting up. A fine win away from home.
Yeah, has been like every year. It's a tough place to come, this. But we said we still want to win every game. We're TNS, we want to win every game, and even if it's another last minute win, we're happy to do that.
We had a bad 15 minutes first half. Maybe in the travel, obviously the game on Tuesday took a bit out of the lads, and to the emotional side and the physical side, we'll go and win the game in the 94th minute, and it just proves again today that to win the game in the 90th minute, it proves the guts, the determination, the professionalism, the character that we've got in the dressing room and the staff to go on and win the game. And in a tough game, a tough place to come. I know Pen-y-bont aren't in great form and the form they'd like to be in, but it's still a tough place to come. So, I was really pleased with the way we won the game, and to come here and win again. Last season we got beat twice here. We've won twice, and beat them twice at home. So it's really important that, from that point of view, that we come and won today, whether the league's won or not. It's professionalism, good habits, and being consistent in what you do.
Sean, football can be a cruel game, especially when you're playing against a team as good as TNS.
Absolutely. Really disappointed, obviously, to lose like that at the end. I felt like it was much more of a Pen-y-bont performance today from the first minute to the last. Obviously, boys are desperately disappointed in there, but they should be proud of how well they played.
You scored the vital goal today. You're 24th in the league this season. From a personal point of view, with 4 games to go, have you got Declan McManus, your former teammate's record in your sights? He's got 29. That's the record for the 32-game season. Are you aiming for 30?
Well, listen, if I'm going to play, I'll try my best. But at the start of the season, I'd have topped what I've got now. It's been a good season so far. So just to try and finish on as many as I can, I'm not too bothered about the records.
One person that's gone under the radar a little bit over the last 5 or 6 games is Jack Edwards, the young goalkeeper. He's been outstanding, absolutely outstanding. He's just 20 years old. Hadn't played a league game before. He had to come in when Nace Shepherd got injured, and I think the biggest compliment I can pay him is that he's not looked out of place any way, shape or form. He's a young goalkeeper, a huge potential, but he's played like a senior goalkeeper for the last 4 or 5 games. He's come and taken crosses forward when we're under pressure at the end. He's made 1 or 2 good saves, and his distribution's fantastic. So don't want him to get carried away with himself, because he's only young and he's got a lot to do. But I said to him in the dressing room, he should be very proud of the 5 or 6 games he's played, because he's been outstanding.